Hey guys, hope everyone's doing well. I'm starting my very own YouTube channel here. I've seen a lot of videos of how to draw certain things, but I've never actually seen one that showed you how to, for absolute beginners, of how to draw. And so I've decided to go through the process with you. This video is for absolute beginners and for those who just want to get back to basics and just relearn maybe something you forgot. So let's jump on into this. The first thing you're going to want to know about drawing is every single thing that you can think of is comprised of shape, whether it be a triangle, a square, or a circle. Any of these three shapes can be used to, like I said, to create anything. If you put two triangles together, you're going to get something like a prism. Two squares, you're going to get a cube. And two circles will give you a cylinder. And for an example of what I mean by you can use these shapes to create anything, these are going to create your basic shape of anything. For example, let's just say an arm. You've got your wrist, you've got your forearm, and you got your elbow. So let's look at it this way. You've got your elbows, which would be a circle or the wrist, which would be a circle. And then your elbow would also be a circle, because these are the joints of your arm. Not the only ones, but the ones that we only care about right now. Now, to create the effect of an arm, we're going to put a cylinder connecting these two circles. So a circle there, connect them together, and you've got the basic shape of an arm. I know it probably don't look like that, but like I said, this is just a preliminary sketch or the beginning sketch of whatever you're going to draw. Alright, let me give you another example. Let's just say you're wanting to draw a house, and you know as a kid how we would do our little squares, put our house, our little triangle on top, and then add our little door and all that. Well, this is exactly how you start to put a house. If you're looking from the front view, this would be exactly how it would look. If you're looking at it more in a profile, you're going to use more of a cube look to create the effect that you're wanting. So a square there, connect them. But the only difference is we're going to erase the insides, because you're not going to see every single corner of a house. You're just going to see a basic cube from one side, or from about three sides here. Alright, then let's just say we've added on and you don't want a flat roof, you want more of a triangle roof. Alright, since we've got a cube, we're going to use also a prism to make that look. So connect those two sides, connect your triangle there, and then connect each side, and you've got the basics of a house. From there, it'll put in the secondary lines and all that. But I'll get into that later and show you more about it, because later in some other videos we're going to get in point perspective, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 point perspective. It gets, like I said, it gets complicated at first, but once you get used to it and figure out what I'm meaning, you'll understand more about it. But I should have probably went through this first, but the basic things you're going to just need is any kind of paper you can get your hands on. It does not have to be sketch paper. It can be copy paper. It could be notebook paper if that's all you have. A pencil and an eraser. The eraser I'm using is actually a kneaded eraser. I got this. I'm not sponsored by these people, but I think it's called Daler-Rowney. Correct me if I'm wrong about that if you know, but that's where I've got this these pencils and stuff to help me. You don't need them. As long as you got a pencil and an eraser. That's all you need. If you ain't got nothing but a mechanical pencil, you can use that. Just know that mechanical pencils will tear the paper if you push too hard. This is the end of my lesson, or lesson 1 on how to draw for beginners. If there's something while I'm making these videos that you want to see, don't be afraid to leave it in the comments below. I'll do my best to get all the videos I can uploaded and posted. And if you like this video, like it and subscribe, share it, and I'll be with you next time. Yeah, I hope y'all have a wonderful evening or a wonderful day.